Hey friends, my name is Siddharth. Welcome to my C Sharp programming channel. So today we are going to discuss about very basic building blocks of object-oriented programming. So according to my understanding, the basic building blocks are a class, method, and object. So we're going to try to understand each of these entities. So let's start with class. A class is simply a template from which we create an object. So object is a real entity, but class is a template, right? It describes the contents of the object. You would have data fields, you would have methods. So in this example, I have a class, public class student. This class has two methods, method marks received and percentage. So a method is an action that the object can perform. Notice here that I'm taking a couple of properties in here and calculating, doing some logical operation and returning the value. Same process here. So that's a method. It simply performs an action uh, and an action that the object can perform. And the last is the object. Object is the instance of a class. So if your class is a template, the object is the actual component of it, right? So how do we create an object? So if I have a class student, I can create an object. This is the syntax. The class name, the object name, you could give any object name is equal to new class name. So once I have created my object S, if I hit dot, I could access all the methods in it, marks received and percentage. I'm not going to create methods. I'm not going to call the methods. I already have it. So now that we have an understanding of class, a method, and an object, now let's see how all these three work together in this example. So I'm simply, you know, console.writeLine. I need to enter marks, subject marks like English, physics, chemistry. I would take three values, the marks in it, consume it, convert it into int, and store in these three variables. These three variables I'm going to pass in this method. I'm going to pass these three uh, properties. I'm going to go to definition, marks received. This method has an int return type. So I'm going to take this value, perform some operation and return an int value. Once I return the value, I could store that variable, that value in this variable. Similar in percentage. Go to definition. This is also an int return type. So I'm going to perform operation, which is take the total value and perform to find the percentage, total percentage, and return the int type. So I'm going to add a breakpoint here. Let's see how this works. I'm going to put it over here and execute it. So I have to enter three marks, English, physics, and chemistry. So I'm going to, let's say I get 60 marks in English, 67 in physics, and 72 in chemistry. I hit enter. I have all these values 60, 67, and 72 as I've added from the console. I create an object. Right now does not it's program student. Now this object this is the method that I'm calling, and I'll pass all my values in this method. I'm going to go in the definition. I'm going to I have all my values over here, right? I'm going to perform total a logical operation, add it, and have the total and return that total. Right now it is total 0. If I debug, add, now the total I got 199. Next, total I have 199. Percentage, I'm going to pass whatever total I have in this method, percentage. I go in, total 199, perform a logical operation. This should give me the percentage, which is 66. Return the int variable, and I have it over here. And now just print total marks is 199 and percentage is 66. Total mark on total marks and percentage. So I have used three important entities: class, method, and object. And that's how we work in any company, in any enterprise level application you would want to build. These are the basic things. Of course, it's not this simple, but if you get an understanding of this, in big companies, object oriented code is written in the same fashion. Thank you.